Now we are going to see annual growth rate of publication, then average annual growth rate of publication, and compound annual growth rate. I mean AGR, AAGR and CAGR. So for that purpose only we are in need of the year of publication and the total number of the publication published records for the specific years. So we'll download the data from the Web of Science with the title of, in the title field, ginger and the botanical name I had given for the year of the 10 years 2014 to 2023. Then how can I get it in the, we can see it also. Then here I download the data from the Web of Science, 500 only we can download because we are in need of the cited references and full records. So the data was downloaded from the Web of Science, then I merge it in the txt2 files also. Now I am going to open one folder in the name of PY because we are in need of the year of the publication. Then I copy the txt2 files in the PY folder. Okay, then go to the WebExcel, open the WebExcel window. Then my file name is PY. Then view file, maximize in the, so why I am giving the PY means because the data is added in the tag of PY. So for that sake only I am going to give the PY. This is the case sensitive, you can give the small letter or capital letter also. PY, MISC, convert to dialog format, Web of Science, plain text, okay, no. So result is the DOC file. Select the DOC file, view file, then here we are in need of the whole tag, whole field in tag because only one tag will be there. Then so if the in the author field means there may be multiple authors can publish one record. Here the keyword also many are cited reference also only. Here year of publication is the only one result. So we are selecting the whole field intact, prep, okay. Then you can give yes if the field is not available in the result is not available in the PY field. Can I take it to the JN field? Okay, allow them, yes. How great holy person. So out file, that result is the out file. So first, as per our record, the first record is published on 2015, second in 19. So we are in need of the how many records published in 2015 and total number of the records. So for the sake only select the OUT file, view file, then sort and descending, whole string, start. Okay, okay. Then result is the CAT file, CAT extension file. Okay, I am leaving it here itself. Then minimize the WebExcel window. Then go to the top, my folder, PY. Then result is the CAT file. Open the CAT file in the WordPad or Notepad, that is your own will and wish. Here I am selecting up to 2022, 2023. So I am leaving it in the 24 is running. So just the year is so beginning. So I copy. If you add the 24 means the records will not be complete. So up to 2023 the years are over. So copy, then Control C, then I paste it in the Excel sheet. Okay. Control V. Then again I am Control V. Okay. Because the records in that ascending. So I want to make it is the small, the year of publication first is the 22, 23, 21. It is not in the even order, descending order. So I am selecting the year. Here in the formula sort to filter. If you click on the combo box means sort to filter. I am in need of the sort to smallest to the largest. Okay. Then expand, allow them, sort. Then here 2014 how many records? 162. 2000. Then 23 346. Just like that I am copying the years here itself and the number of records here. Just I finished the 2 line. Here serial number, then year of publication, then records. Okay, now we can go to the formula. I can save it. Then formula, annual growth rate of the publication, AGR, current year publication minus previous year publication, then divided by previous year publication. For example, if you want to find the year of the publication, average growth rate of the publication for the year 2015 means, then 2015 means D23. D23 is the column of 157, 157 minus 162, this one minus 162, then divided by this one minus, then 162 into 100. We are in need of the percentage, so we are giving the percentage. So here I am giving this formula, the same thing only I am giving here, is equal to, see the formula bar, is equal to D23 minus D22. D23 minus is equal to, put the two brackets, for the one bracket for this one, another one. Put the two brackets, opening bracket, select this here, you select it, then minus D22 divided by D22 into 100. Okay, I will do it once again. Here is equal to, then I am giving the two bracket. So D23 minus, which one I should minus it? Previous year publication. Then close this bracket, first bracket, and divided by 162, close it, into 100. The result is the minus. So I am giving for the 2 digit is more than enough for the percentage, so I am minimizing it. Okay, this is the same result. Okay, this one is the, so here I am explaining more. AGR for the year 2015, 157 minus 162 divided by 162 into 100, that is the results. Okay, then average, then for the year average growth rates. If you click on here means, you can, the plus button, small plus button will be there. If you can drag it and drop it, drag and drop. Okay, then next we should find out the average growth rate. Average growth rate, how can we find out? Here the average growth rate for from the year, then this one. So from the from column D22 to D31. Here if you click on this average bar means, here I am giving the average is equal to in the formula bar, average. If you type means automatically it will come the average. Okay, then you should select this column. So from here to here, then close it and type it. That's all. Then here average growth, we should select the rows from here to this one, average we are in need. So that is the results. Then if the 2 digit is enough for me, so I am giving the minimizing this 2 digits. Okay, that's all. Then what is the compound? Compound is CAGR, compound annual growth rate of the publication. Then here ending value divided by beginning value, then power to the rate to the power of. Then this one is the minus 1 minus n minus 1 into 100. This is the formula. Then here once again I am repeating, CAGR, compound annual growth rate. Ending value, what is our ending value? 346. Beginning value, then this one 162. Then rate to the power of, then 1 minus n. N how many years? 10 years. But for the growth rate we should fix on the ending of the year. So we should give n 1 minus 1 divided by n, 1 divided by 9, sorry, 1 divided by, not to 10, you should not give 10. So 1 divided by n. So this symbol, how can I put it? This symbol, shift plus 6. If you come, shift plus 6, if you click means you can get this symbol. This symbol put it, and 1 minus 1 divided by 9 into 100, that is the results of the, then once again I am repeating. Then to get the CARG is equal to, here see, CARG, to get the compound, where you have to select the cell, then CAR is equal to opening bracket, double opening bracket, D31. D31 is the, this one, 346 divided by 162. Then close the first bracket, then shift plus then 6. Then if you click it means you can get this power of, raised to the power of, this symbol we are in need. Then then opening the bracket, 1 divided by 9, because from the ending year only we will get this formula, we will get the results. So growth rate, so we are in need of the 9 years only we should calculate. Don't forget, don't put the 10 years, 9 years minus 1 into 100. For example, for we are in need of the percentage, so put the results 8.79. So compound annual growth rate is the 8.9. This one is I am giving once again, I am repeating the expanding it, 346 divided by 162, then raised to the power of, then 1 minus 9 minus 1 into 100. This is the formula. Then result is that of same thing only. So then now this video we completed annual growth rate, average growth rate, and CARG, compound annual growth rate. For us, compound annual growth rate, then this symbol. Okay, thank you.